welcome to Big Ass Live. Are you guys excited to be here?
Very excited.
Tell me what brought you here today all the way from Columbus,
Okay,
Ohio?
well, I build nonprofit businesses.
Oh, come on. Well, we got to talk.
Yep,
Okay.
that's what I do, and so, you know, just really wanting to take my business to the next level.
All right, so tell me what brought you here today from Philly and from Brooklyn. It was still a commute from Brooklyn today anyway. What brought you here today?
Well, Lucinda's a powerful speaker,
Uh-huh.
and you know, I'm putting in my big ass for 2020.
I was tired of people shortcutting and not knowing my value, but I never illustrated my Oprah to the people. I was okay with doing it to the companies, but not to the people that I was serving. It's okay for you to eat from the plate and the dish that you made.
Yes.
Yes? Come on, my mac and cheese is good.
There's success out there already. And there's enough success for everybody, right? So it's not even about, you know, this person is doing it, let me try to do it better. No, this person is doing it, so thank you for doing it, because now I know that it could be done.
My big ask is for coaching in the development of my earning plan for the second stage of my rebrand.
I have a question.
Yes.
Where are you wanting to go?
In the next year, I'd like a $500,000 revenue plan.
Okay. Yes. In the world we live in today, everything is possible. Everything.